In this video, we are going to evaluate definite integrals. You can do this in two ways: manually, without the use of a GDC, or with the use of a GDC. Definite integrals are associated with the area under a curve, but in this video, we're not going to be concerned with that. If you look at a definite integral, you can see that they have two numbers. Those are called the limits. It is the limits that help us find a numerical value for the definite integral. Let's first evaluate 2 without the use of a GDC. Let's integrate these two functions. The first one is integrate x cubed between the limits 1 and 4. So the first thing I need to do is integrate. I put the integral into square brackets. So that's x to the power of 4 over 4 between 1 and 4. You'll notice I don't put c. That will become apparent later on. Now I substitute 4 into there. So 4 to the power of 4 is 256, minus, I substitute 1 in, so 1 over 4. So if I'd have had 256 plus c, subtract 1/4 plus c, the c's would have cancelled. So 256 minus 1/4 is 255 and 3/4. Let's integrate the second one. 2x squared plus 2 between the limits of 1 and 3. So integrate the function. So I get 2x cubed over 3 plus 2x between the limits 1 and 3. Now substitute 3 into it, and I get 2 times 81 over 3 plus 2 times 3 minus, substitute 1 into it, so I get 2 times 1 over 3 plus 2, giving 163 over 3 plus 18 over 3 minus 2 over 3 plus 6 over 3, which is equal to 181 over 3 minus 8 over 3, which equals 173 over 3. The second way to evaluate a definite integral is to use a GDC. So we're going to do two examples. The first one, we're going to integrate between 1 and 2 the function 2 minus 7r cubed dr. And the second one is to evaluate between minus pi and pi over 2 the function 3 sine 2x plus 2 dx. So if we open our TI Inspire and open calculator page, so the first thing we need to do is find the integral button. That can be found in the button next to the 9. So if we press there, there is our integral button. Open it. Our first integral has the limits is between 1 and 2 for the function, for the equation 2 minus 7x to the power of 3 dx. If we now press enter, that has a value of minus 24, and that gives us 0.25. Definite integral value. Our second minus 24, because it is 0.25. A trig function. Second one, you are in radians. Open the function, and this is between negative pi. There's the pi button, pi in it, and pi divided by 2. For the function 3 sine 2x. To make sure you're outside the brackets, come outside the bracket, plus 2 dx, press enter, gives us a value, gives 12.4248. So the first integral has a value of minus 24.25, which is equal to minus 24.3 to 3 significant figures. And the second integral has a value of 12.4248, which is equal to 12.4 to 3 significant figures. Remember, all answers should be given to 3 significant figures unless otherwise specified.